Today, I'm not going to talk about how YouTube changed my life because it's not true. It still hasn't changed anything. I used to hate video editing just a lot. Everything was pretty different before YouTube. What I did before and why some of my videos are in English and some of them are in French and why I do have some different accents. This is what I want to talk about today. I'm not a native English speaker. I'm from Russia and I have a great passion for English for more than 10 years now. I use everything in English, my phone, my PC, any software. I watch videos in English, I watch movies, I speak English fluently, as you can tell. So, English is my passion number one. I recently started to learn French because of desserts mainly. You know, they have a lot of wonderful things to treat our souls. And this is how I eventually made it to French. And I've been learning it for just 2 years now, and I finally started to feel that I can speak a petit peu, a bit of French. Before YouTube, I did a bunch of different things, and I'm not going to talk about office job and how many diplomas I got. It really doesn't matter. I eventually came back to where I started even before any education. So first of all, I decided to write a book, a recipe book in English. It took me just 6 months to write it, to take all the photo shoots of each step of preparation, make a beautiful design, and put it all on Amazon as a Kindle edition. I wanted to make this book very special, and I made it for desserts, which are healthy and sweet at the same time. So you can eat them every day and stay in shape and feel great. I wanted to share this topic with the world because I'm very sweet tooth and I know a lot of sweet tooth live around the world and they all struggle with eating desserts and staying in shape at the same time. Later, I wanted somehow to promote my book and my soulmate recommended me to try Twitch. I started to give cooking classes there. It was super interesting thing. Yeah, this is it. Do you feel awesome? I hope you joined me and repeat some exercises so at least I inspire you to some movements. Yay! Only just like this you can get inspired and grab new ideas and make them true. Here. Thank you for the following. I made it all from scratch. I created a design. I connected all the wires and made all the settings all by myself. I gave these cooking classes twice a week, and I think I spoke English 2 or 3 hours just non-stop on Twitch, and it was a bit crazy and very nice experience. I met some wonderful people there, and we're still friends. Desserts can be healthy, and I'm gonna show you how to prepare them step by step at your place using just basic ingredients and basic tools. Nearly at the same time, I started my cooking blog where I posted new recipes, new healthy recipes. It was a beautiful opportunity to start doing something like this and to share my opinion on healthy treats, and also I gave some inspirational tips on how to feel great and well every single day. So when some financial system between Russia and different countries crashed and we wouldn't be able to get paid from Twitch and from Amazon, and I stopped doing Twitch altogether. I kind of a bit of gave up maybe. After several months, I came up with the idea of giving it a try to make it to the local market. and create these desserts in their natural form and shape and textures. I started my own online magazine, and you could order some treats right at your door, but only within Russia. And after a year and a half, I understood it was not releasing me anywhere, and I stopped doing it altogether. It was very difficult decision because again, I put a lot of effort in it, and nothing worked. But you know, what happens then happens, and some things bring us to beautiful destinations. I don't remember how, but I came up with the idea of making videos. And at first, I wanted to make just videos of healthy recipes, of cooking classes. I wanted to make them in YouTube format. I traveled to Dubai and then to Korea, and I started to create travel videos and learn new skills on how to do that correctly.
Next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
Number 1. Dubai Mall area. This area is full of surprises.
Slowly but surely, I started to fall in love with video creating and video editing thing, and this is what we got now. I'm on my YouTube channel, and this channel was mainly created for me to learn how to create and tell better stories, how to create beautiful videos. It's very interesting to see how you change over the time when you create this project from scratch. You come up with the idea, then you write all the script, you think about which angles you want to record. You also think about how you would act on camera because you are your main character, and you're just one and only actor. And then you also want to think about what you want to show exactly in this project, or which feeling you want to give to the audience, what you want to tell otherwards, and why you do this. This is where I am currently making videos for YouTube and mainly for myself. And I hope I can find here same minded people who love the same stuff that I love. And I hope we can know each other better. If you still have any other questions about me, feel free to ask. Probably in the future, I'm about to make some videos on French because I'm passionate about French now, very, very passionate. I want to improve it to my English level, but I know it takes time. It takes time. It's very interesting. So if you like the content of this channel, feel free to subscribe. I wish you to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.